following is a winter storm watch for the following counties: Blanco, Burnett, Travis, and Williamson. What? Significant icing possible due to freezing rain. Total ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch for western Williamson and Travis counties. Total ice accumulations from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch in the Hill Country. Where? Portions of south central Texas, mainly across the Hill Country. When? From Monday afternoon through Wednesday morning. Impacts: difficult travel conditions are possible during the Tuesday and Wednesday morning commutes, especially across the Hill Country. Additional details: icing will be possible mainly during the late night through mid-morning hours when temperatures will be coldest. The most significant icing is currently expected to remain across the Hill Country. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. The Coastal Waters Forecast